In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best air fryers under $100 in 2024. I'm here to share my experience to help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. This classic Ninja air fryer is a great all-rounder. It's compact and perfect for small kitchens or single folks. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, it crisps up fries and wings beautifully. The high-gloss finish looks sleek on any countertop, and the 4-quart capacity lets you cook enough for 2 to 3 people comfortably. My experience, the Ninja AF101 is super easy to use, with simple dials for temperature and time control. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the dishwasher-safe basket. However, if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance or a larger capacity, this might not be your top choice. Number 2. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This air fryer goes big on features. It's a rotisserie, dehydrator, convection oven, and air fryer all in one. This is perfect for folks who want to ditch multiple appliances for a countertop powerhouse. The 10L capacity is ideal for families, and the digital touchscreen with presets makes cooking a breeze. My experience, I love the versatility of the Chefman. I roasted a chicken that came out juicy and crispy, and the dehydrator function is perfect for making healthy fruit snacks. However, with all those functions, it can take up more counter space, and some users might find the interface a bit overwhelming. Number 3. Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE. Cosori offers a fantastic balance of features and price. It has a decent 5-quart capacity, perfect for families of 4. The 130-plus recipe booklet is a lifesaver for air fryer newbies, and the shake reminder ensures perfectly even cooking, no more sad, soggy fries. Plus, it's quiet and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. My experience, the Cosori is a great all-around air fryer. It cooked everything I threw at it, veggies, frozen snacks, and even salmon, to crispy perfection. The shake reminder is a game-changer, and the dishwasher-safe basket is a huge plus. Number 4. Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT Air Fryer. Instant Pot brings its magic touch to the air fryer world with the Vortex Plus. This 6-quart air fryer boasts odor erase technology, a lifesaver for those post-fish air fryer sessions. It also comes with over 100 in-app recipes for inspiration, and the 6-in-1 functionality lets you crisp, roast, broil, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. All in one machine. My experience, the Instant Vortex Plus is a powerhouse. It cooked everything quickly and evenly, and the odor erase technology actually works. The app is a nice touch, but some users might prefer the simplicity of physical controls. Number 5. Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer. Calling all multitaskers, this Chefman air fryer features 2 independent 3-quart baskets. Cook fries and veggies at different temperatures simultaneously, or whip up a whole meal with ease. The digital touchscreen controls are user-friendly, and the auto shutoff ensures safety. My experience, the dual baskets are a game-changer. I could finally cook different foods at different times without any flavor transfer. It's perfect for picky eaters or those with dietary restrictions. However, keep in mind that 2 baskets require a bit more counter space compared to single basket models.